Hey everyone, today we're making jalebi, a traditional Indian dessert that's both crispy and syrupy. These bright orange swirls are not just any dessert, they're a feast for the eyes and the taste buds. They're like little bites of happiness that bring joy with every bite. Imagine a crispy, sugary shell that melts in your mouth, followed by a burst of sweet syrup. That's jalebi, a perfect blend of textures and flavors. This awesome treat comes from India, where it's a staple in sweet shops and homes alike. It's been enjoyed for ages during special celebrations, festivals, and family gatherings. Now, people all over the world love jalebi, savoring its unique taste and texture. This shows just how amazing and universally loved this delightful dessert truly is. Making jalebi might seem tricky, but don't worry, it's easier than you think. With a little practice and the right ingredients, you'll be making perfect jalebis in no time. With a few things you probably already have in your pantry and a bit of patience, you can make these golden spirals at home. It's all about getting the batter and syrup just right. Let's grab our ingredients. For the batter, 1 cup all-purpose flour, which forms the base of our batter, 2 tablespoons chickpea flour, that's basam, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, which helps the batter rise, a tiny pinch of turmeric powder to make it that bright orange, and enough water to make a smooth batter, and oil or ghee for frying. For the sugar syrup, 1 cup sugar, 1/2 cup water, which will form the base of our syrup, a few strands of saffron for that rich color and aroma, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder for a hint of spice, and if you like, 1/4 teaspoon lemon juice. This helps the syrup stay smooth and prevents crystallization. Now let's get started on making these delicious treats. Time for the fun part, making the jalebi. First, the batter. This is where the art begins. In a bowl, mix the all-purpose flour, chickpea flour, baking powder, and a pinch of turmeric. The turmeric gives it that beautiful golden hue. Slowly add water while you whisk so there are no lumps. The key is to add the water gradually. You want it smooth like pancake batter. The consistency should be just right, not too thick and not too runny. Let it sit for at least 8 hours, or even better, overnight. This resting period allows the batter to ferment, enhancing the flavor. While that's happening, let's make the sugar syrup. This is what gives jalebi its signature sweetness. In a pan, mix the sugar and water. Stir it well to ensure the sugar dissolves completely. Heat it up, stirring until the sugar melts. You want a smooth, clear syrup. When it bubbles, add the saffron, cardamom, and lemon juice if you're using it. These ingredients add a wonderful aroma and flavor. Let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes a little thick. The syrup should coat the back of a spoon. To check, lift a spoon of syrup. It should make a thin string when it drips back down. This is the perfect consistency. Turn off the heat and set it aside. Let it cool slightly while we prepare the batter for frying. Now, the exciting part, frying. This is where the jalebi takes its final form. Fill a pan with oil or ghee and heat it up. The oil needs to be hot but not smoking. Once it's hot, put the batter in a squeeze bottle or a piping bag with a small, round tip. This will help you create those perfect spirals. Carefully squeeze the batter into the hot oil in circles, making spiral shapes. Be gentle and steady. Fry them on both sides until they're golden brown and crispy. The perfect jalebi should be crunchy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Freshly fried jalebi are super yummy, but dipping them in the syrup is what makes them truly special. When they're golden brown, carefully take them out of the oil and gently put them in the warm syrup. Let them soak for a minute or two, turning them so they're coated evenly. This makes them incredibly sweet and juicy. You did it. You made jalebi. Now it's time to enjoy them. Jalebi are best served warm, so put them on a plate. You can have them just like this or sprinkle on some chopped pistachios or a little condensed milk. They're amazing with masala chai, Indian spiced tea, or vanilla ice cream. Enjoy!